Every year, thousands of natural, man-made, and technological disasters impact communities across our nation with devastating consequences to survivors, businesses, critical infrastructure, and the environment. Communities spend years and millions of dollars to rebuild and recover. The DHS Science and Technology Directorate and the National Alliance for Public Safety GIS Foundation are helping public safety leaders focus on policy solutions and mitigation tactics using Geographic Information System, GIS technology, and spatial analysis. Together, we're convening stakeholders at events like the Innovation Summit for Preparedness and Resilience, or InSPIRE, to strengthen our infrastructure, systems, and communities.
InSPIRE is a culminating event for the strategic partnership between DHS, FEMA, and the National Alliance for Public Safety GIS and SMP. It encapsulates developing better practice and policy, developing better technology solutions. And the third area is to develop the next generation of first responders and emergency management professionals.
We need to understand how you make things better in terms of reducing impact. GIS is the starting point for building that capacity to analyze spatial data, visualize the outcome of that analysis, and communicate it to different stakeholders.
Human beings understand things better with a story. Using GIS to kind of target, here's the things that we see, and here's the history of it, and here's the impacts, and being able to put that in some sort of storyboard or to help people then understand it, helps people manage the risks. What I'm doing is using the GIS technology to help us tell the story, to create the motivation for people to want to create more of a risk management culture within the departments.
You're going to see a rapid and accelerating pace of innovation. Innovation in the ability to capture more data, to understand the risk, to understand how a phenomenon or event is evolving and forming, to allow you more response time, to allow you to take more effective protective measures, which ultimately means you're starting to develop more robust, richer analytic capabilities around geospatial technology.